Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you two ways you can change brightness on your Samsung Odyssey G7. So the first one is to just like push your button to the front like that, and you'll be able to change the brightness right here like that. The second way is to press the button and then move up, go to menu, then move down to the picture, click on it, then navigate your way to the brightness, click on it, and you'll be able to change the brightness as well. So that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.